Taskade AI Tool Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Taskade, an AI-powered productivity tool designed to revolutionize how individuals and teams manage tasks, collaborate, and boost efficiency. Links to Taskade and additional resources are in the description, so feel free to check them out. Taskade stands out as an all-in-one workspace where you can plan, organize, and execute tasks seamlessly. At its core, Taskade offers features like smart task lists, real-time collaboration, mind maps, project templates, and note-taking. Its AI integration adds an extra layer of efficiency, enabling you to generate ideas, write content, summarize notes, and automate repetitive processes, all within seconds. The AI also adapts to your workflow, making suggestions tailored to how you work. Who is Taskade for? It's ideal for freelancers, startups, and large teams alike. Whether you're managing a personal to-do list or leading a complex project with multiple stakeholders, Taskade provides the flexibility to meet your needs. Its collaboration features allow team members to work in real time, leave comments, and share updates effortlessly. Plus, integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Notion make it easy to connect Taskade with your existing workflows. What really impressed me during my experience is Taskade's ability to streamline communication and task tracking. The AI does a fantastic job summarizing long meetings or brainstorming sessions into actionable points. Additionally, the interface is user-friendly, visually appealing, and fully customizable, allowing you to organize projects the way you prefer, whether that's through Kanban boards, mind maps, or simple lists. In summary, Taskade is an impressive tool that combines AI-driven automation with robust task management and collaboration features. It's efficient, scalable, and adaptable to various industries and team sizes. If you're looking for a way to work smarter and save time, Taskade is absolutely worth exploring. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information or to give it a try. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.